Ever wondered how to make a YouTube video using AI? Well, AI, or artificial intelligence, is a groundbreaking technology that's transforming countless industries, and content creation is no exception. Imagine this: creating YouTube videos with less manual work, all thanks to AI's potential to automate and streamline the process. It's not just a dream, it's a reality we're living in. But you might be wondering, so how exactly can AI help you create YouTube videos? Well, let's delve in and unravel the mystery together. AI can be a game changer in your YouTube content creation journey. Picture this: you're a one-man band trying to create compelling content. You're juggling script writing, voiceovers, editing, and thumbnail creation, and it's overwhelming. Now let's introduce artificial intelligence into this picture. AI can automate the process of script writing, generating creative and engaging content based on your inputs, saving you hours of brainstorming. It can also assist with voiceovers, offering a range of voices and accents to bring your scripts to life. When it comes to editing, AI can streamline the process, identifying the best clips to include and the most engaging way to arrange them. It can even create thumbnails for your videos, analyzing the content to design an eye-catching image that'll draw viewers in. In essence, AI can take on these time-consuming tasks, leaving you with more time to focus on your content strategy and audience engagement. Now, imagine having an AI assistant that can handle all these tasks for you. Creating a YouTube video with AI is easier than you might think. Let's delve into this fascinating process, step by step. First things first, we need a script. This is where AI can step in to save the day. AI script writing tools can help you create a well-structured, engaging script. You feed in some keywords or topics, and voila! The AI generates a script, saving you from the grueling task of brainstorming. It also ensures consistency in your content, which is key in retaining your audience. Next, we move to voiceovers. AI voiceover tools can transform your written script into professional-sounding speech. These tools offer a variety of voices to choose from, allowing you to personalize your content. No more struggling with microphone setups or worrying about background noise. AI voiceovers are not only convenient, but also cost-effective. Now, let's talk about editing. This can be a time-consuming process, but not when you have AI by your side. AI video editing tools can analyze your footage and automatically select the best clips, apply transitions, and even adjust the color grading. This not only saves you time, but also ensures your video has a polished, professional finish. Finally, we come to the last step, creating a thumbnail. A captivating thumbnail can make all the difference in attracting viewers. AI thumbnail creation tools can analyze your video content and generate engaging, click-worthy thumbnails. This eliminates the guesswork and ensures your thumbnail accurately represents your video content. So, you see, using AI in YouTube video creation is not only convenient, but also highly beneficial. It ensures consistency in your content, allows for personalization, improves efficiency, and much more. With AI, creating YouTube videos becomes a breeze, and there you have it, a complete YouTube video created with the help of AI. Scene script. AI is not just a trend, it's the future of content creation. Having traversed the world of AI and its profound impact on YouTube content creation, we've been able to glean a few key takeaways. The potential of artificial intelligence is immense. And when it comes to content creation, it's like having your very own digital assistant. It's about working smarter, not harder, and AI can certainly help you do just that. AI can help you streamline the video creation process, saving you precious time and effort. It can handle tasks such as editing, optimizing video quality, and even generating thumbnails, all while you focus on the creative aspects of your content. The beauty of AI is that it continuously learns and improves. It's like having an assistant that never sleeps, tirelessly working to enhance your content. It can analyze viewer preferences, optimize your video for search, and even suggest content ideas based on trending topics. Moreover, AI can help you reach a wider audience by providing automated translations and subtitles, making your content accessible to viewers around the world. It's not just about creating content, it's about creating meaningful and engaging content that resonates with your audience. The potential of AI in YouTube content creation is vast and largely untapped. It's not here to replace the human touch, but rather to augment it, to enhance our creativity and productivity. So go ahead, embrace the future of content creation with AI.